our one-door proofing cabinet. First off, the overall dimensions. Left to right, of a length of 20¼ inches. Depth of 31 inches. Overall height, 67½ inches tall. Coming to the inside, internal dimensions will include left to right of a length of 18½ inches and a depth of 28 inches. 18 by 28 applies to left and right, front and back of the distance for each rack holding each tray. For the overall height, we have 53 inches tall. Bottom divider, and on the inside will be a pan for your water. Measurement for the pan will include 11¾ inches in depth by 6 inches in length. Airflow and heat distribution in the bottom, left and right. In the bottom, we have your power, temperature control, along with the heat and humidity functions, and a separate switch for the heating function and proofing. Bottom will be a chute holding under a water pan. Measurement for the water pan will include 7 inches in length, 12¾ in depth, by 4 inches in height. This can be inserted back into the chute. Coming to the lower bottom corner will be the ETL certification, along with the technical specifications for this proofer. And last but not least, this runs on 110, 120 voltage. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website, coolerdepotUSA.com, for more information on this product. Thank you.